My hometown, which means I'm bored as fuck, miserable, and hate the person I am right now. So we're gonna go shopping to fix that. First stop is Ulta. I shouldn't come in here. I'm just gonna get like a face mask, I think, maybe a couple, and whatever speaks to me. Also, I got my nails done. Aren't they so slay? I'm really nervous I'm gonna see someone I like went to high school with or something, or like a hater of mine. Actually, I don't even think I have haters. I'm like a decently nice person. I have no idea why I'm here. I literally don't need anything. This is just irresponsible of me. Okay, I picked up some mighty patches because I feel like that's a good thing to get, and I want a face mask, but I don't have any that I would wear. Ulta has so much stuff, it's almost overwhelming. I'm used to my little Kohl's Sephora that I work at. Those are so cute. Oh my god. I want to buy them, but not for $12. No, thank you. Sydney Schiffer talks about this Halo Smashbox tinted moisturizer. I think I'm gonna get it. The jump and the shades is wrong. It was so hard to film in there. There was so many people and I felt really awkward, but I got some mighty patches, the invisible kind, some velour, these like self-stick lashes. I still put lash glue on them because I have trust issues, but they're really pretty and I like them for my natural era. My favorite influencer, Sydney Schiffer, I don't know. She swears by this Halo Smashbox like tinted moisturizer, so I got it in light medium. The shade from light medium to medium was like a huge jump, so I hope that works. Lastly, I got these First Aid Beauty ingrown hair pads because I've wanted to try these because mama struggles with ingrown hair. It's gonna keep it real here. And they have some minis, so I didn't have to commit to the full thing. Also, I had like $80 in points, and my total was originally like 80 something dollars, but I used 50 of them, so it was only $27.57. Bitch. I didn't find any face masks I wanted, so we're gonna go to Sephora now because I know that store like the back of my motherfucking hand. We made it, bitches. Let's go to the motherland. The Sephora is so much like the one I work at. They're sold out of the same shit. The layout's the same. I'm home. Well, the Dr. Jart masks are literally ran through, so I'm gonna get the only rubber one they have. And maybe like this Cicaplast one. I don't know. I'm kind of disappointed. So I might have fucked up and spent $150, but I saved $25 because I work at one of these. So it's fine. You saw me get the Dr. Jart masks. I love these. They're really good. I wish they had the hydrating one, but whatever. And then I got the Good Girl Blush Body Mist, which was $45. I don't think I regret it because it smells exactly like the perfume. So, whatever. I don't see these often. I had to get it. Then I was dumb and didn't bring any of my stuff to wash my hair because I thought this would last me a week and it's already fucking greasy. So I got the Color Wow Color Security Shampoo. I've heard really good things about this, never tried it. And then the Money Mask. I have this at home and I love it, recommend. And usually I get the kale cocktail version of this, but they didn't have it at the Sephora. The carb-infused leave-in one. We'll see if it's just as good. And if I don't like it, I'm going to return it because I swear by the kale one. Then I got the extra large mini mousse because I'm a blowout girl and I have to have mousse whenever I do my hair. This little tiny thing was $29. The leave-in repair mask from K18. This better be the shit, or I'm going to be pissed off because you guys lied. But yeah, that was my haul. This is why I never leave the house because I just spent almost $200 plus getting my nails done today. I am really guilty right now.